Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Qualcomm HomeSpot audio Bluetooth receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with it not connecting to your mobile devices or not pairing properly, or if it keeps unpairing and stuff like that, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you're trying to set it up on a new transmitter or just pairing it with new devices and you just want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do this. It's really quite easy to do. The first thing you want to do is you're going to make sure it's turned on, and then you're going to go and disconnect it from anything that it was connected to. Just make sure it's not connected to anything. And then once you do that, all you need to do is come in, you're going to find this little pairing button here, and you're just going to press and hold it for 3 seconds, and you'll know that it's done because it will say, after 3 seconds, it will say, reset successful. It will give you that little voice prompt. Once you do that, then you want to go ahead and remove power from it, and then all the pairing records and everything like that will be cleared off of it. You can restore power to it, turn it on, and it will automatically enter the pairing mode when you turn it back on and be set up as a new device.